Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera high efficiency pictures on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the camera app. Then in here tap on the settings icon. Next, in the camera settings we go down to the pictures section and then tap on advanced picture options. In here tap on high efficiency pictures. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now select save space by capturing photo mode pictures in high efficiency image format. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, or tap on the back key to go back to your camera settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching.